Swadika. Alright, I'm back as I promised on the English version for the disassembling on the detail of the Mark 12 as I promised last time. So it's going to be detailed in English from Thai language that they just edited about a week ago. So without further ado, let's start it then. Alright, now just before we start on the disassemble, all we have to do, the first rule is safety on the weapon. So I did have a frag on them, but just to be safe, let's double check them. Alright. Nothing. And alright, so the weapon is safe and secure, already safe on them. Let's disassemble the weapon then. First off, let's just take the muzzle brake off first. The O-ring. The secure nut for the handguard. It's going to be a little bit hard, so let's use this. And then remove the handguard, putting it to the box, and then you should find a gas system over here. Let's remove the gas system first by remove this nut off from the gas system, and then pull back a little. You should see a stopper. Remove these two rings off, put them aside, and then just pull this gas piston, the gas housing off this piece here, and then remove one of the gas piston off. After this, you just need to remove the two pins, just like an AR-15, AR-10. Just like that. The lower roll pass, low receiver, put it aside, and then you should got the upper receiver. Now, usually the manual doesn't require you to remove the whole barrel off from the upper receiver, but today I'm going to show you how to remove them. First, you're going to need the Allen key like this, and there's a worm screw over here. Just insert them and remove them off. You just don't need to remove them off, just have them not interfering with the chamber over here. Next, you're going to need to remove the collar over here, or you might want to remove the scope off first. So it should be a little bit lighter then. You should see over here there is a collar. Just insert the wrench and then turn it counterclockwise to remove this. Alright, so we loosen enough so we can use a hand to crank it off. and you can leave it right there, and you just move it. That's it. And then this is for the barrel, to remove them. Then next, to remove the bolt system, just need to pull out the charging handle, and then slide the bolt carrier off, and that's it. Yeah. That is how you disassemble the whole thing for the shotgun. And that's it. That is detail of the disassemble for this gun.